So, what do you do after spending a morning at a Hindu deity ceremony? You get a warm bath, of course. Oh God, this water is so warm, it feels great. Yeah. Oh man. So, come on and join us. Believe it or not, it was only 12 noon when the festival in GANGOTRI was finishing. From there, we had another 3.5-hour drive back to UTTARKASHI. On the way back, we passed some really scenic areas, including some great mountain vistas, pine tree forests, and at one time, the road we were on was just meters from an emerald blue Ganges river. We also passed a landslide area where a boulder the size of our car had fallen on the road. After an hour or so into our drive, we stopped by at a hot springs to relax under some hot water, which was so refreshing after we were freezing earlier this morning. So on the way home, we're going from GANGOTRI to UTTARKASHI. We are stopping at this place where you can take a warm bath in the springs. There's also like a pool you could get in, but we put our finger in there and it was really hot. And even the manager kind of warned us about not going there. It's a little too warm today. So we're just going to rinse off here. Kind of, after about 4 hours of driving, we could use a little loosening up and this warm water will feel good. So come on and join us. You going in? Ready? Yeah. All right. Ranjan's going too. Mr. Atlas. Okay, Ranjan's the first one in there. Look at that body, man. Right out of Charles Atlas. Arnold Schwarzenegger Jr. And clean. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
Oh God, this water's so warm, it feels great.
Yeah.
Oh man. Water's so strong, my bathing suit's falling off. Okay, I'm gonna get some soap on me now, but this is pure bliss. The water is so warm, it's so relaxing. After being in a car for 4 or 5 hours, oh, this is where you want to be. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You like? Yeah. Put some shampoo on. Good. Warm, right? Warm. Oh, feels so good, right? Feels so good. Oh, I may never come out of here. This is bliss incarnate. Oh, just right. It's like a really hot bathtub water pouring on it. Oh. And a massage at the same time. Okay, time to get my shampoo off. Very clean man, very clean. Raj means great. Very great, very clean. Okay, man, I'm just gonna relax here for the next 5 minutes, and we're gonna unfortunately get dressed and get back in the car. We got about another hour to UTTARKASHI. Then we're gonna pick up Anne, and we're gonna go somewhere else. See you. I'm gonna show you why we didn't go in the pool. This really brave guy is gonna attempt it, but it is really hot. Put my finger in here. Hot. Too hot for me. And also that shower bath was better than getting in here. But I think this brave soul is going to go in. Let's see. Maybe he's smarter than I thought. I don't see him going in. Okay, let's get back to the car. Right down the road, we found a nice place to eat. So, Ranjan Ji is going to give us cooking lessons. What's this going to be, Ranjan?
This is aloo jeera, potato fried with cinnamon seeds.
Okay. So is there, okay, so there's potato already in it?
Tomato.
Tomato.
Salt.
Salt.
Haldi dal do. Turmeric.
Oh, turmeric, of course. I can smell it. You guys are getting free Indian food cooking lessons here. What's that?
Fenugreek.
Oh, fenugreek in there. Okay, very good.
मिर्च डालनी है
ना
ये मसाला डाल दो
Here's our cook.
किचन के
ना
टेस्ट आ जाता है और
अरे ये नहीं खाता
I personally like things cooked in ghee, not in vegetable oils. I think ghee is much more good for you. So he's cooking this in ghee for
दाल
me.
बनाता हूँ बिना मिर्च के है ना
He's putting some butter in there. Okay. Butter, not vegetable oil. Very healthy.
ना ना वही आलू है
This is how things are done, guys. You want Indian food? Get it from the experts in India.
फ्राइंग दाल
Oh, frying dal. Okay. This
Once
is
the butter is warm
You put in the salt.
no
Oh.
cinnamon seeds
Oh, cinnamon seeds. And there are cinnamon seeds in there too,
Yeah.
right? Okay. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one.
my dal
दाल दाल boil
Where is the dal? Aha. Here comes the dal.
हमारा चाय थे जी चाय चाय छाने वाले पंद्रह का चाय पाँच वाला बिस्कुट
हो गया मक्खन हो गया
Yeah, that's good.
हो गया
Okay, he's putting in dal, which has been soaked. Is that chana dal?
ये चना दाल
Chana dal, okay.
ना अरहर की दाल
अरे चलने दो यार इसको समझाना पड़ेगा मुझे
Same. A little more salt.
हाँ डाल दो थोड़ा सा
Okay. What's
मेरा
that?
दिल कर रहा है डालने का
टेस्ट आ जाएगा ना इससे
Oh, it's masala, right?
मसाला
Masala, okay. Masala. Okay.
हल्दी डाल
Masala is good tasting. Putting in some more, is that turmeric?
टर्मरिक
Turmeric, sorry. This is gonna taste good. Oh, I can smell all those spices coming together.
भाई तो शिव को खा लेगा
हाँ भाई उनको खा लो
Whoa. You want me to take that or put it somewhere? Or?
you want to take it
Yeah, I'll put it over on the table.
yeah take it
Okay. So we're putting the potatoes and tomatoes there.
इसको हम लोग आप निकाल देना है
छोटी करने दो ना इतने बड़े मुझको दे दो
छोटा लगाना
What's he making on that flat thing? Chapati? Okay, there's the dal. Okay. There's the dal. Can we take this to the table?
yeah
Okay. Yeah, it's a little hot, not too hot. And he's making chapati in there?
इसमें कुछ चपाती
Okay. And he's making. This is how you make chapati? These are fresh. That's, oh, good. Fresh flour. Look at that, he's rolling his own dough. He's heating those things up.
कोई बात नहीं 10 रुपया भी दे जाओ दो कला
ये लो भाई साहब खाली लगा दो
Oh, ho, ho. Look how those things expand when he puts them in the fire. Ah, that's how they do it. Interesting.
1 second
Oh, sure, sorry. Okay, chapati number 1.
खाली दो भाई साफ करो प्लेट
These things, you can't get them any fresher. He's rolling them right now. Just watch him make one more. Oh, look at that thing expand. Okay, on the fire. Ah, that's how they get the dark spots. I gotcha. And that's our chapati. You guys just got a free Indian cooking lesson from experts. Here we are up in northern India, learning from the experts. I can't wait to eat. I love it. After leaving this restaurant, we discovered a free Indian car wash along the road where a waterfall pours onto part of the road. Incredible. That's how you get a free car wash in India. So soon we'll be back in UTTARKASHI, and then I'll be able to check on how Anne's doing. Hello, hello.
How's it going?
Oh, it was a long day, a very long day. And but it was a great time. It was a great time. We went to see this big ceremony, and you would have loved it. And then after that, we went to a bathing place, hot springs, which was nice. We had 2 nice meals, and so many things happened today. It was a great day. We're still going to go to the Shiva Temple tonight, so we got one more thing to do. I'm going to try to keep my eyes open because I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning. But anyways, it's been a great day, and I think you're going to like watching this all on video, so stay tuned. So after spending all day in GANGOTRI, I came back down here, and now Anne's with us, and this is our last night in UTTARKASHI, and we're going to do a little shopping tonight. Before we do anything, we want to do one more thing, and that's visit the Shiva Temple. The Vishwanath or Shiva Temple in UTTARKASHI is the most important and ancient holy shrine in the region. Shiva is the presiding deity of this temple.
शाम को 7 बजे भगवान भोलेनाथ
He didn't care, right? He didn't care. Yeah, this is what I got today. How old is this temple here?
This temple is from Maharashtra, from the time of Pandavas.
So, very old.
Very old.
That's why it looks old from the outside. Housed at the front of the temple is a massive 26-foot high brass trident, which is over 1,500 years old. Hindus believe that Shiva protects the temple with this trident.
जयन्ती हरवल्लभेनो भद्रं प्रणीदेवरङ्गे चित्वागं सस्तुनं निर्रसे मही देवहितं यदायु शतमिन्नो सर्वं तदेवयत्रं
पुत्रासो विप्रो भवन्ति मनोबुद्ध्यः विश्वे देवः मगन्ताम्
This temple is affiliated with the one in Varanasi. This temple's been here over 1,000 years, and when we were in there with the priest, you could actually see the trident of Shiva, which is very, very old. So this is a really well-known Shiva temple, and we're gonna go shopping now. But just wanted to see this temple before we left Uttarkashi.
Ui, I want gulab jamun.
Anne's going to be getting lots of chocolate, lots of sweets now. So she's been hungry all day waiting for us to come back from GANGOTRI. So let's see what she gets.
God, do you want gulab jamun too?
No, that's too sweet for me.
Gulab jamun bhi de sakte hain.
Anne is so happy. What's that called? Tell
Gulab
everyone.
jamun.
And that's an Indian dessert, right?
Yes.
What's in it?
Milk.
And honey, right? Really good? Oh, look at your friends followed you here.
Wow.
That's a healthy looking cow. Cow's very healthy.
Someone put water in the cow. Oh, this is night market.
Night market in Uttarkashi.
Alright.
You might remember yesterday we were here during the eclipse and no one was here.
Yes.
It was dead. You want to try it on? You can hold it against the bottom of your foot.
Yeah.
It's good?
How much is it?
120 rupees.
Okay.
I like this one.
Princess.
I know. Thank you.
Okay.
This how much is this one?
250.
250.
Yeah.
Can I try this?
Yeah.
This side, this one.
Right.
Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
I want this side.
Oh, the princess slipper fits. So you want? You gotta get that in your luggage somehow.
Yeah, I know.
You want it?
I want it.
Okay.
I want to get this one.
So princess slippers $2.50. That is $3. And the slippers, the blue slippers, is $1.50. Anne just got 2 pairs of shoes for $4.50 equivalent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now time to go back to the hotel, rest, because tomorrow morning early we leave for Rishikesh, and that's about a 6-hour drive, and it's going to be a little rough on Anne because it's not a good drive if you get car sick easily, right?
Yeah.
So Anne needs to get a good night's sleep and get prepared for tomorrow.
We will wrap up video for today here in our room, and today been wild day for Gar.
Very busy, yeah, very busy.
Hope you enjoy video today, and we will see you again together in the next one.
And tomorrow morning, very early, we leave for Rishikesh, so we'll send you more adventures from Rishikesh.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Stay tuned to watch more about our upcoming adventures in India. We hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe.